So Netflix, being one of the most popular streaming services out there, requires a credit card for you to sign up, if you didn't know that already. But what if you're a student, can't afford a credit card, or say you're outside of the United States and want to watch US Netflix? Well, there's still a way you can do that without actually requiring a US credit card. The simple trick is just to use a gift card. That's right, I'm Vamsi from Proxy, and if you want to get Netflix without using a credit card, let's take a moment and understand how you can actually get Netflix with a gift card, shall we? So finally, if you want to get a US Netflix subscription, all you need is a valid email address, and then, Netflix gift card that we just talked about, and US VPN like, say, Proxy. Go to Amazon.com and search for Netflix gift cards, and then look for the email delivery ones. These ones are digital gift cards that can be accessed almost immediately after purchase. Not to mention a physical gift card would have to be delivered to your address, which takes way too long. On this gift card page, select an amount. You can purchase a gift card from anywhere from $25 to about $150 and above. Unfortunately, you can't buy a gift card that's worth less than $25, so there's that. So just add that to the cart and then buy it. And the cool thing is, you can buy a Netflix gift card using Amazon gift card amount. So I'll just use that and then check out. So you'll receive an email from Amazon on the email address that you gave, for the gift card. The email usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get, so don't panic if it doesn't come there immediately, like the next second or something. So before we proceed further, make sure you've received the gift card and then the correct amount, and then keep the gift code handy. We'd need that for the next step. Now, Netflix supports the use of gift cards in a few countries, but the main one is being the United States. Therefore, we need to connect to a US server using the VPN app. Don't worry, this is only a one-time process, and lucky for you, Proxy lifts all due restrictions by letting you connect to a server anywhere in the world, including the United States. So let's connect to the United States server. Now, let's create a Netflix account and start the subscription. So now go to netflix.com and enter your email address to get started. If you have an existing Netflix account, you can just log into that. Even if the account is linked to other country, it'll still work. So just choose a plan. Netflix offers 3 different plans at the moment. As you can see on the screen, the plans vary from $8.99 to $17.99. So select the plan of your choice and proceed to the next step. For instance, I'll just choose the max tier of 4 screens since I just bought a 4K TV. Now on the payment mode page, select the gift card option and enter the code. But you must be thinking the Netflix plan costs $17.99 and the gift card starts at $25. So what happens to the remaining $8? Well, Netflix would prorate your plan and offer services until your balance runs out. The good news is that you can top up Netflix balance by purchasing additional gift cards in the future. So sounds fair. Now that your Netflix account is active, before we leave, let's answer some of those questions that you might have. Well, can you switch plans? Well, of course you can. You can switch that anytime, and Netflix would just prorate your plan validity and then continue from there. For example, say if you've got $10 in your Netflix account balance, it would just take the $10 off for the next 3 weeks and then upgrade your plan from there. After that, all you have to do is just top up your Netflix account and then continue from there as you normally would do. Well, do you need to use VPN to watch Netflix all the time? No, because Netflix has availability in most countries outside. For example, I'm using the US Netflix with my VPN account, but if I turn off the VPN, it'll fall back to my original country's Netflix, i.e. India, and then I can just continue watching from there. And as you can see, it has no impact on it whatsoever. You can just continue using it like you were originally before you used a VPN or something. So there you go. That's a simple way of getting Netflix without using a credit card. You can just get the subscription rolling by just using a gift card and then continue from there. The key here is that you need to use a proper VPN like say Proxy, because Netflix doesn't support gift cards everywhere. And that's about it. I'll leave a link for all the essentials in the description below, and while you're down there, click on subscribe if you want to get notified every time we put out a new video like this, every other week or so. As always, I'm Vamsi, thanks for watching, and if you're new here, you know what to do. This is the outro. See ya.